a list of 16 herbal teas that help you to sleep through the night. Nowadays, many people struggle to get a good night's sleep. You may find it difficult to fall asleep or may wake up several times during the night. This can be caused by many different issues such as a poor diet, stress, hormone imbalances, anxiety, or blood sugar problems. It is important to fix this as soon as possible, as deep sleep is important for restoring and repairing the cells of the body. During sleep, the body produces collagen, repairs the muscles and tissues, rejuvenates the mind and memory, and synthesizes hormones. In today's video, we will share with you a list of 16 herbal teas that help you to sleep deeply and peacefully at night. 1. Lavender. Lavender tea is by far the most popular tea for promoting relaxation in the body. The natural compounds in its wonderful smell soothes the nervous system and induces a state of calm before sleep. Lavender can also improve overall sleep quality, making you less likely to wake up during the night. 2. Chamomile. This tea contains an antioxidant called apigenin. This acts as a mild tranquilizer which binds to certain brain receptors to reduce anxiety. Anxiety and overthinking are two of the leading causes for sleep disorders. 3. Banana skin. Instead of throwing away your banana skins, you can wash them to remove pesticides and then steep in boiling water. Drinking this an hour or two before bed supplies the body with tryptophan. Tryptophan increases serotonin and melatonin neurotransmission in the brain, promoting a peaceful night's sleep. 4. Passionflower. One of nature's best herbs for treating overthinking and anxiety. It boosts levels of GABA in the brain, a chemical which regulates mood. The flower has become very popular in recent times and acts as a wonderful sleep aid. 5. Lemon balm. This herb was commonly used in the Middle Ages to treat insomnia and stress. This is a very sharp tea which induces feelings of calmness and peace. It contains natural compounds which relax the muscles and can be easily grown at home. 6. Valerian Root. The roots of the Valeriana officinalis plant offer an earthy flavoured tea. This contains traces of camphor and pinene and is brewed with warm but not hot water. It is one of the most powerful sleep aids when it comes to treating insomnia and boosting sleep quality. Be sure to check with your doctor, as this can sometimes interfere with prescription medications. 7. Magnolia Bark. The bark of the magnolia tree is used to make a powerful sleep aid and herbal tea. This works as an anxiolytic, meaning that it lowers stress, anxiety, and depression. Its natural bioactive compounds boost GABA neurotransmitters in the brain, which stops overthinking. Magnolia bark also activates cannabinoid receptors in the body, which supports the immune system and reduces aches and pains. 8. Decaffeinated green tea. Green tea comes from the same plant as black tea, but is harvested in a different way. It contains more natural occurring chemicals such as EGCG, which lowers inflammation in the body. A healthier overall body leads to better brain function and healthy sleep patterns. 9. Peppermint. Peppermint is a hybrid herb between spearmint and watermint plants. Steeping some peppermint in hot water produces a relaxing sleep aid which helps to soothe upset stomachs and gas. Many pregnant women also drink this to reduce nausea and morning sickness. 10. Hops. The female flowers known as hops are well known to be used in making beer. Hops tea offers a similar flavour and has a sedative effect. You can often find tea blends with hops and valerian used together for a stronger tranquilizing effect. 11. Lemongrass. This plant is native to Asia, India and Australia and makes for a very citrusy tasting tea. The lemony flavour is very light and refreshing and helps to stimulate serotonin in the brain. Lemongrass helps to regulate sleep cycles, so drink this daily to enjoy its full benefits. 12. St. Johnswort. This tea contains a number of compounds which act as antidepressants and sleep aids. This is yet another tea which stimulates the GABA receptor in the brain for a relaxing night's sleep. 13. Catnip. Although this tea makes cats go crazy, it has a very different effect on humans. Catnip triggers feelings of drowsiness and can make you feel sleepy. It is also used for relieving tension headaches and neck pain. 14. Spearmint. Menthol found in spearmint helps the body to digest foods and calms the body. This tea has an excellent flavour and is one of our personal favourites for relaxation and stress relief. 15. Ashwagandha. This Ayurvedic herb is perfect for those who have hormone imbalances. Ashwagandha is particularly useful for women during menstruation, as it can help to relieve cramps and pain. It is also useful for men in balancing hormone levels. 16. California poppy. This flower also contains natural components which ease nervous agitation, aches, pains and insomnia. This is often used to treat bedwetting in children and diseases of the liver and bladder. As you can see, there are a great range of herbal teas that can help you to sleep peacefully and restoratively. In addition, we also recommend eating a stalk of celery each night, as it can help to regulate the body's temperature. Temperature control is important during the moments that the body falls asleep. If you still have trouble sleeping, then you must cut out sugar and caffeine from the diet. It is likely that these are stimulating your mind and keeping you wired at night. Deep breathing exercises and meditation are also excellent practices for calming blood pressure and relieving tension. You can try out deep breathing whilst lying in bed in order to relax yourself and drift off. To learn more about nutrition and healthy foods, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.